So guys, look at this. Look what I'm about to do. So guys, I'm on airplane mode because I'm at the sea.
And it gives you toothpaste.
Yeah, Eli, let's make elephant toothpaste. So guys,
We need some of.
we're making some elephant toothpaste. We're missing some soup. There's some right here. Let's check this. Oh, and guys, that's how you make the elephant toothpaste. You have to use the ingredients blocks in my hands, like you need those ones.
And some soap. And
Like
that's
you'll
we
earn these
need
two
and
later.
Earn some toothpaste like elephant one.
You boys want to go to the water park?
Yeah.
Now
No,
look,
you need to eat your breakfast. 'cause you can't
click
take
combine and
chocolate
see
milk,
what
apple
happens.
juice.
Click combine and see what happens.
Jacob. Jacob,
It's elephant toothpaste.
All right, listen to your mommy.
Jacob, I need you to finish your chocolate milk.
Oh, he didn't even drink it. There's a whole open one. There's a whole
Okay,
open.
okay, look, open your chocolate milk. You need to drink your chocolate milk. You need to drink something.
You gotta have some fluids in you, baby. It's gonna be hot and sweaty. Drink some water.
Drink all the water.
There you go.
That one with that brown beard looks funny.
I'm done,
I
Jacob.
thought, look,
The guy himself.
Look, you need to eat some more pancakes.
you're not gonna finish.
I'm gonna get the toothpaste plate. Place that toothpaste. Jacob, your pigment has turned.
Drink it. Swallow it. Don't hold it. Sit in your mouth.
Your pigment.
Look at your piglet over there.
Bro, that's funny when he said toilet paper on your face. That's the elephant toothpaste.
The toothpaste. Let's make the toothpaste. Just
Told myself to wear shoes years ago. I did. Go, you can.
That's the elephant toothpaste.
that look. You turn back to
Bye.
normal.